guys, let's make this pepper soup. Here in Manitoba, Canada, the weather is just cold and it's raining outside. So I told you guys outside is raining, so everywhere is just a bit cold. So we are going to fall right now. So summer is going. So I decided to make this pepper soup and show you guys the recipe. So we are going to have more of pepper soup because we are going to be going to into cold, and here Manitoba is very cold. So guys, and I'm having fish. This is fish. I'm having catfish here, pepper. This is seasoning powder. These are pepper soup spice. It's two type of pepper soup spice. One I bought one here. I bought one here from Africa stores, and a friend of mine gave me some when she went to Nigeria back home, and she brought some for me. Like this one, they have oziza, osa, and the rest of them mixed together. So I'm going to slice this leaf, this spinach. So if I don't have scent leaf, so I've not seen scent leaf here. I guess they don't have scent leaf, so I'm going to use this spinach to replace scent leaf, although it's not going to give me the scent of that scent leaf though. So what to do now? Those are all the things we are missing in Nigeria. So I'm going to, this is green pepper and red pepper. This I'm just going to add them for the color, and I'm putting some onions. This chopping onions, so I'm ready to chop it. And that's all for pepper soup, just for you to add water in your pot and start cooking it. So guys, and salt, of course. This is salt. We need salt too. So that's all the things we need for this very pepper soup. The fish is already washed. I'm going to add the spices. These are the seasoning powder. I have seasoning powder that I have here. In this stage, just add a little salt to marinate the fish first, so that all of them, all the seasoning powder will go inside the fish before you add the water to it. I think this pot, yeah. So I have to change the pot because this one is a little bit small, so let me use this one to be more wider and more comfortable for the fish to relax. And this time you can add the water. What a pepper soup without pepper. That is not pepper soup. Oh. And the pepper soup spice. Onions. Add your slicing pepper to its face. But this one is not really hot, it's not spicy, so these are beautiful pepper. So cover it, let it boil out. I'll have to smell it. I'm sliding the leaf now. Yeah, well, so I'm going to add leaf to it now. Spicy. Wow. Started feeling it. I guess the leaf is okay like that. So I'm just going to use this for the hot pepper soup. Luca, please, can you take it down? Our pepper soup is ready. So this pepper soup, I cooked it like about 5 minutes to 7 minutes, so it does not take time. Wow. Guys, it's so delicious, so delicious. Stop looking at me. Look at the pepper soup, look at that, it's bubbling. Wow. Okay guys, this one is ready, so we are just going to set it aside. Hey guys, I hope you learned some tricks to cook pepper soup. So we are going to be seeing more pepper soup in my channel. And guys, this if you're just popping in, boom, you're just saying, wow, look at this pepper soup, it's so delicious. And this is Rozzy Kitchen once again. You are welcome to my channel, and please, if you are yet to subscribe, please do so. Like and subscribe and press the notification button. Anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you have any question, if there's something that is not clear for you, just write a comment, or if there's where you want to get the pepper soup or it's the pepper soup spice, so just let me know. I'll try my best to answer all your questions.